Welcome to the personal property tour for 238 Kirkland Walk in Methil. This is a spacious 3-bedroom end-terraced family home. You have off-street parking for multiple vehicles, you've got lovely garden to the front, extensive garden to the rear, and you have a conservatory. It's in a lovely quiet location as well. I'm just going to show you that in a second. I'm going to take you on the tour. This is the property here. So as you can see, it's an end-terraced property. Lots of space to the front with the garden area. You can access the property through this timber gate here, which takes you up those steps, and you've got additional steps here with your driveway as well. And you can see it's an extensive driveway, cars parked at the top there, so lots of space. Location wise, it's at the bottom almost of Kirkland Walk. You're right down the end with those countryside views along the woodlands to End-Terraced. It's a great location. I'm going to just take you on the tour. So we will start by going up the driveway steps, just to give you a feel for really the space that's up here. And as you can see, there's further space behind the car as well. But you have a great spacious front garden too, lovely location. You've got the green opposite, really peaceful. And then from here, we're going to go into the entrance of the property. So this is our entranceway, so we go straight into the vestibule. So great if we're taking off your shoes, etc. before you go into the property. From here, we go through this lovely timber glazed door into the hallway. And you have some great space under the stairwell actually. So you have this area where you can put your coats and shoes and boots, but it's great because it's got a window. So the potential is actually, there is space, you could have a little home office down there. Straight ahead you've got this really large cupboard as well, so plenty of storage in this property. We're going to start upstairs. So as we come up, you'll see it's lovely and bright with that big window. So it's in the kind of middle part of the landing. Again, you've got these lovely views. Nice and open up here. It feels lovely and airy, doesn't it? So it's a great space. So from here, we're going to go into bedroom number 1. So this is currently the main bedroom. So it's a nice sized double, as you can see. Lots of space in here, nice big window, lots of natural light coming in. Again, great views. So quiet. So you've got a really spacious room. You've got these triple wardrobes as well with the sliding mirror doors. So lots of storage with the property. Then from here, we'll go into bedroom number 2. So it's just around this corner. Bedroom number 2, again, lovely, bright, big double room. Lots of space. Nice big window again, so plenty of natural light coming in. Great space. Lovely big double room, and it overlooks the garden as well, so nice and peaceful. That's bedroom number 2. We'll head into bedroom number 3, which again, another good sized double. Really spacious family home actually. So you've got a good sized double in here. Lots of space. Big window. Again, overlooking the rear garden. And you've got these triple mirror wardrobes again. So lots of space with the property. Then from here, we're going to head downstairs to the bathroom. Before we do that, we've got a lovely big cupboard up here as well. This is really spacious, and actually inside here is the roof hatch. So you've got your attic hatch there taking you into the roof space. So it's a really great space. And then we'll head downstairs, and the beauty of these properties as well is the bathroom is actually on the lower level, so that's straight ahead of us. So we'll head into the bathroom. You've got your WC, your sink, your shower, your thermostatic controlled shower. I love the tiling on this as well. So recently done as well, the bathroom, so great space in there. Then back out into the hallway, and we go straight ahead into the lounge. So as we come into the lounge, you'll see it's a really nice square spacious room. Big window. Got an audience today. Alfie's not happy, he's outside. So we've got lots of room in here. So really nice big double lounge. You could potentially put a dining set in here as well, although you don't need that because it is a dining kitchen. It's a big L-shaped sofa, lots of space in here. Again, you've got those lovely views outside. Then from here we go through these double doors into the kitchen. So you have a dining kitchen, as I say. So you've got room for your dining furniture. So it's a table for 4 here, plenty of space. Lots of space for your white goods. You do have some integrated appliances with the property as well. So you've got your oven, your gas hob and your extractor, and lots of cupboard space. Nice big window as well, overlooks the conservatory. And we'll just take you through to the conservatory now. So again, a really nice space. It's an additional reception room, which is fab. You could create a nice lounge area in here. And then we'll head into the garden. Into the garden, immediately come out, you can see it's lovely and peaceful. So you've got great social space in the garden. It's not overlooked at all, really. So you have a little courtyard, which I'm stepping back into just now. And you've got a nice seating area here as well at the side. You've got this lovely lawned area. The current owners have a nice summer house. Plenty of space for a shed. You've got all of this lawned area as well. Seating arrangements up here. So plenty of space up here. It's a great sized garden. If I take you over to this end, what you'll see here as well is you've got your timber gate to the side of your bin store, but that takes you to the driveway. And what the current seller is telling me is this fence actually is a movable fence. So what they do is sometimes they bring vehicles further up, so you could do that if you wished. But actually you get a feel for just how long the driveway is here and the sheer extent of the garden area. Isn't it lovely? It's a lovely bright space, and you've got plenty of area in the patio areas as well for your seating arrangements. It's a really nice property. So just to recap, this is 238 Kirkland Walk in Methil. It's a 3-bedroom end-terraced property. You can see it's quite spacious inside. You've got the lovely conservatory to the rear. You've got great garden space on the front and to the rear. You've got off-street parking for multiple vehicles. It's in a quiet location. You've got views across the countryside to Windigates. It's in a great spot. You do have the potential to extend here as well. Obviously necessary planning required, but lots of potential going forward. It's a fabulous family home. It's in a great location, literally 2 minutes up the road. You've got the convenience stores. You've got great commuter links with the bus routes that take you into Leven and to Kirkland. Likewise, you've got the train station coming at Leven. You've also got Kirkland train station, so Edinburgh and beyond, Dundee and beyond. 10-minute drive, you're at Leven with all the facilities, the swimming pool, the beach, the lovely walks, the golf courses, the 5 coastal path. You literally have everything on your doorstep. It's a great location. As I say, you've also got the primary schools and you've got the secondary education local as well. So lots to offer a family with this property. This is on the market with ourselves at the moment. It offers over £128,000. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at 5 Properties 3. Take care. Bye bye.